Bula Fiji, welcome to Jejemon. Good evening, namaste, assalamualaikum, and fayaxia. I hope that you're having a great night from whatever part of our beautiful country you're tuning in from tonight, and especially if you're joining us via Walesi from the island of Ovalau, the old capital of Levuka, and if you come from the Lomaiviti province. Thank you for keeping it Cheche on Jejemon. Now, I was in the old capital recently, and while there, met with one of the seasoned hairdressers or barbers, as some would call them, in Fiji, whose career started well over 20 years ago. Based on Beach Street in the old capital, Mahesh Vithal is one interesting individual whose storytelling, including career to date, is one that will keep you very entertained. Take a look.
Bula, Fiji. I am Mahesh Vithal. I was born here in Levuka, and for the last 63 years, and here I am. Well, I've been cutting here maybe about 48 years by now, I think. Probably. I started very young, learning from class 7. I had to sit down on the seat at the back and just hold the comb and the scissors and just do this at that time. But by Form 3, I was looking for a shop. I got interested from my dad. Actually, we are a hairdressing trend from India. And, it's been passed on generation to generation. Right? So one has to continue in the family. So it was my eldest brother and myself. We learned whatever my old man knew, cutting hair, taking photos, being a photographer, I did all that, being a carpenter. Started off with my dad. My dad used to cut Ratu Mara's hair, Ratu Epeli's dad's hair. They used to be Commissioner Eastern's here. They used to be commissioners here, so he used to cut their hair too. And then I started cutting hair. Then I remember Ratu Levuka, I used to do his hair. And whenever he's away, or he was in Suva one time and he got sick. So I had to go to Suva to go and cut his hair there. So I was the only one touching his hair actually. I think it's a very general. You won't find a cheap like that. I think it must be from around 1930s. So my dad had it and it was home built at home. And material in those days were very solid, very strong. And it's been here, standing here for 5 floods maybe, I think. It's still standing. And we haven't maintained it, nothing. Still standing. I've never done it except for the leather seat. I've done only that. But the rest of it is still it's a nice place. People here are very friendly and it's easy to get along with the local people. And we were brought up with them, you know? And whenever I go to any villages, we are welcome there. Oh, I love my job. It's a challenge. And it's an art actually. To do hairdressing, you got to be honest with the job. You got to do it properly. And see that people are paying you money and it's worth it. Although it will take a little time, but you do a good job. Those people will come back. I am Mahesh Vithal. I'm keeping it Cheche on Jejemon.
Mahesh Vithal, one of Fiji's most experienced hairdressers and based in the old capital of Levuka on the island of Ovalau in the Lomaiviti province, chatting to me about his career, which is no doubt very interesting, historic one indeed. Great stuff. Time for a short break. Supermodel Naomi Campbell is next in a video that went viral on social media. See you soon.